This is the latest edition, the beginning of October edition of my blog on teaching architecture with the new textbook, the new version of architecture with the new textbook. So, I haven't blogged for a couple of weeks because I've been swamped with grading stuff, mostly not architecture science, although the architecture people had a bunch of report assignments where they had to explain how to use lowering bits would help them with a weather app. They had more trouble than many semesters, possibly because of all the new things I didn't emphasize enough, that every one of their points has to refer directly to a weather app, although it always been sort of obvious to me. So a lot of them made a mistake. It's not an uncommon mistake, but more made it than usual, that the weather that they would just talk about reducing bits are helpful for programming in general, and not make any direct reference to the weather app, and they can get points for that. The other thing I did is I've substituted, instead of talking about bus timings, I substituted Hamming codes this semester, and that's been interesting. There's a video I put up, a couple of videos actually, that are linked on Hamming codes that I put in their Blackboard stuff, and I'll see how the timing goes. If I think I have extra time, I might do both next semester. I realized I could do the bus timing even though the textbook does not support it. I can just support it myself. I never really that connected to the textbook. So that's something I want to think about for the future. Okay, that's enough for today, and hopefully a lot of exams this week, and I'll be grading those. And I think their hardware project is coming up too, and we'll see how that goes.